Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook meat in ARC. Cooking your meat is crucial for survival, as eating raw meat can actually decrease your health. Cooked meat, however, provides 20 food points and 8 health points, making it a much better option for sustaining yourself. You'll use different structures for basic cooking versus more complex recipes, so let's dive into the details. Your journey into cooking begins with the simple campfire. To use it, just open its inventory, place your raw meat inside, and add a fuel source such as wood or thatch. Once lit, each piece of meat will cook in approximately 20 seconds. This method is perfect for early game survival and cooking smaller batches of meat to keep your hunger at bay. As you progress, the industrial grill becomes an invaluable upgrade. It boasts 50 inventory slots and cooks meat significantly faster than a campfire, making it perfect for mass production. Powered by gasoline, this grill is especially useful for quickly preparing large amounts of prime meat, which spoils rapidly. It saves you a lot of time and effort compared to managing multiple campfires. Beyond simple cooked meat, structures like the cooking pot and industrial cooker are essential for crafting complex recipes such as kibble. To preserve your cooked meat, a preserving bin, fueled by spark powder and oil, can extend its spoil time to 2 days. For the longest possible preservation, a refrigerator will keep your food fresh for up to 20 days, ensuring you always have a supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.